Hey, what's up guys? So finally the OneUi 8 update is out for almost all the Samsung Galaxy S series, and now it's time for the OneUi 8.5. Yes, you heard it right. The next big update from Samsung is now the OneUi 8.5. And this one is not going to be your ordinary OneUi 8 update. This time around you will get to see some UI changes as well with the OneUi 8.5 update. Today in this video we will talk about the device list which will be getting the OneUi 8.5 update. So it will be available from the 2022 onwards flagship models, including the S21 FE, S22, S22 Plus, S22 Ultra, the S23 series, the S24 series and the S25 series. For the Z series, it includes the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 to the 7. And for the A series, it will be released for the 2023 and the later models. Also, the M and the F series is also included in the device list of the OneUi 8.5. You will not get to see the Android 17 update with this OneUi 8.5. It will be just an enhanced and a new UI version of the OneUi 8 update. And if we talk about the beta version, so the beta version will be released for the Galaxy S25 series, most probably in the next month or in December. Officially, most likely this update will be released with the Samsung Galaxy S26 series. For now, you can enjoy the beta version of the OneUi 8.5. I'm quite excited about this OneUi 8.5 update, as the OneUi 8 update was a bit boring, and this new upcoming update will also include some UI changes, including the new app icons and the new control center as well. Also, the UI of the update section will be improved, including the control center. You will get to see this volume and the brightest option in the left corner. The sad part about the Samsung beta updates is that it is only limited to some countries, while the other countries will have to wait for the official update. And that's a wrap for today's video. Let me know your thoughts on these new upcoming updates in the comment section below. Also let me know that if you updated your device on the OneUi 8 or not yet. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.